Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to start an Etsy shop selling digital products. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com. If you've not already, you want to go ahead and open it up. So once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, first things first, what we're going to want to do is log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and create an account so you can sign up for one. And if you have one, you can just log in normally. So go ahead and log into your Etsy account, after which now you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can get started. Here we can manage all the products we want to buy, we can use the search bar and so on. This is the home page, and now we can go ahead and take a look at how to start an Etsy shop. We are going to go ahead and be selling digital products. So how do we start a shop? It's very easy, and it's right here at the top of the screen. In the upper right corner, right next to your profile, you're going to see the shop manager option. You want to open up shop manager. By clicking shop manager, it's going to enable you to log into your account that you want to use for setting up your store. And once you have done so, now we can get started. From here, we can get started with managing our store. We are going to go and be setting up our shop preferences. We're going to go and be naming our shop, giving a description, and so on. And here in the stock your shop option, you're going to go and be import your products. So basically guys, you're going to go and be able to import any kind of products you want. It doesn't matter if they're digital products. You're just going to go ahead and give it a name, what they are. You can input an image of preview of the digital product. Let's say it's a picture and so on. You can go and put a preview. So once you put a preview, you can enter in the price and so on. Everything like the same for physical products. So you can set up your digital products in the same way so people will be able to use your Etsy shop for those products. Once you're set it up, you can set up how to get paid, share your billing info and security and so on. Manage everything, and once you're ready, save your store, publish it, and get started with using your store for selling digital products. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.